Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine, and today we will understand, we will learn about the wave motion. Okay, wave motion. Sorry, actually, wave is have very important role in our practical life, and due to waves, we get information about technology, about other countries, and about the advanced things. And due to waves, we are listening different voice. Okay, so so how wave will produce, we will do two activities. Okay, firstly we will define it, what is wave. So basically wave is a disturbance of particles. Okay, now I will define it. A wave is a disturbance. A wave is a disturbance. A wave is a disturbance in the medium which in the medium which causes the particle the particles of the medium to undergo vibratory motion about their position in equals interval of time in equal interval of time. Okay, okay, there are two types of waves. One is mechanical waves and other is electromagnetic waves. Okay, firstly we will do two activities how wave will produce. First activity, first activity, water tub, water tub. Okay, we have a tub of water and I fill ink in it. Sorry, ink, not water. Okay, when you have a lead pencil. Okay, and a cork of paper. You put cork of paper here. Okay, and you will tip okay, this one corner of lead pencil inside the so inside the top, okay, one time, and it will produce one wave. And after that, when you will so dip so this one again, and it will so, so, so produce one wave more. And like this, when you will do like this, and it will move, so you produce waves more, and wave will go onward like this. And when they so these waves will reach at the place of this one cork, and cork will move like this, okay, and it will not leave its original position. And when waves will so move so forward, then after that the piece of cork will be here, okay. And when you will so dip one time this one so lead pencil sorry, end of lead pencil, this one, okay, inside the tub, then one wave will produce. After some time it will be removed, and there will be no any wave, okay. When you will do again and again like this, when you will dip this one corner so this one end of the lead pencil inside the tub, so again and again, then waves will produce more, okay. So any other example activity number 2, like this wave you can produce, okay. Stay. Second one, rope, okay. Second one, activity of rope. You have a rope, and one end of the rope will be fixed, and other, okay, will be in your hands. When you will pick from here, and you will give jerk, your hand energy will be so transfer in into the rope, okay. For example, you have marked a point P here. When from here when wave will reach at point P, and it will create crust, okay. And it will create crust. And after that, in second one, and this one this one type will be straight, okay. And point P will be here, and this one will go forward, and this one height known as crust, and this one trough. Like this, the wave will move forward like I have drawn firstly, okay. And point P will be here, and it will not change its position, okay. Now there are two types of the wave motion. One is mechanical waves, and one is other is electromagnetic waves, okay. There are two types. There are two types. By mistakenly I have written this one, okay. This is not. There are two types of wave motion, okay. Wave motion. One is mechanical waves, second is electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic waves. Firstly we will firstly we will define mechanical waves. Firstly, mechanical waves. The waves which needs which requires medium for propagation known as mechanical waves. For example, water waves, as I told you firstly in this in last one page here, okay, and rope waves. Now the waves which need medium for their propagation known as mechanical waves. Okay, known as mechanical waves. For example, known as mechanical waves. So for example, water waves. Water waves. Waves in spring. Waves in slinky. Okay, so second one, electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, this one mechanical waves, and this one electromagnetic waves. Okay, so the waves which do not need medium for their propagation known as electromagnetic waves. The waves which do not need medium for their propagation known as electromagnetic waves. Okay, for example, radio waves, television waves, x-rays, okay, are rays which is coming from the sun, light waves known as known as electromagnetic waves. So if have you any confusion, you can ask from me. Inshallah, I will tell you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.